So hello and welcome. XLSXWRITER Python and Excel. So open your Visual Studio Code and we will import XLSXWRITER, and first you must install it, of course. If you have, if you don't have, you can install with pip install XLSXWRITER, and you can see how I manipulate with this code. I have here a sheet 1 where I write my score, name, score, marks, dollar, code, exit, and you can fill your table. Only we will see how it works. So if you installed your library, you can import it and use it. It's very easy and comfortable way how to use Python with Excel together. And please be careful to you how install extension from Excel. So after if you install extension, you install your library, you can use it and write your own code and your own Excel table, for example. If you run your code, you will come to this, as you can see here. We will open an external app. You will enter file name and you have here your, so easy. Please follow my channel. You can look more tricks and more info how you can make your work with Python easier. So thanks for watching, and give me a like, subscribe my channel to grow, and have a nice day. See you next time. Bye everyone.